That was been extended up to 31st March 2024, Lordship. And the next circuit is comes on from 1st April.
Move an application.
Lordship.
You're moving a can.
No, can already been cancelled.
Lordship, may I be permitted to mention a matter? I'm praying for inclusion in the list, Lordship. This is a CAN application in respect of writ petition, Lordship.
What is the urgency?
Lordship, there are two orders, Lordship. There are two orders, Lordship, to contempt rule, Lordship. Praying for contempt of rule, court rule, Lordship. Lordship, another matter, Lordship, I'm praying for inclusion in the list, criminal division, Lordship.
Criminal fresh.
Lordship.
Lordship, with your permission, I would like to mention this matter. Actually, I filed a CRAN application. The interim order, stay order is expiring on the 16th. So the retainable date is tomorrow.
May I be permitted to mention, your Lordship? This is the writ petition, my lord. The urgency of this matter, the realization of the demand against the petitioner has been issued by the Revenue Department. My lord, kindly keep this matter on the 4th March in the heading of the hearing, my lord. Praying for that. And there is another matter, my lord. The petitioner, the urgency of this matter is petitioner want to withdraw the matter. Kind praying for the keep this matter on 14 March. Under the head.
I didn't follow you. What did you say, Missa?
There is another matter, my lord. The urgency of that matter is the petitioner want to withdraw the matter. Praying for keep this matter on 14 March on the motion, my lord.
All right, move it. But where is your junior?
My lord, junior within a time he is giving the mentioning slip, my lord. Kindly.
When you mention it, your junior should be here or your colleague should be here.
Yes, my lord. This is my.
Then you mention it tomorrow when they're there and ask them to be there in court.
Grateful, my lord. Okay.
Let's say appear for the writ petition, Lords. I represent the state in this matter. The decision application, Lordship, may I be permitted to file for the immediate service, Lordship.
State is there.
This is an application for compassionate appointment, Lordship.
Yes.
Father of the petitioner, Lordship.
You appear for the state or even the municipality?
No, I appear only for this.
What about the municipality?
Respondent is the municipality.
Yes. Already served, Lordship. The petition is there, Lordship.
Who's the standing counsel for the municipality? There must be some. Who's the counsel? I'll pass it over. Get the counsel.
Lordship.
Get the counsel for the state, municipality.
Only Lordship, praying for Lordship. Made an application, Lordship.
Oh, that's all right.
Lordship.
Bring them, so we'll dispose it off.
Lordship.
And this is not a service. It's only bagged.
Group 5, Lordship. Group 5.
Oh, sir. This is not service complete.
Lordship. Prior to that page, Lordship. The stamp is there, Lordship. Chairman.
Oh, so sending it is service.
No, Lordship. Sending it. It is required, Lordship.
So where is the delivery receipt? Huh?
Lordship. Lord, can you see page number 4, Lordship? The Vice Chairman, Mahatma Municipality has received it, Lordship. In the bottom portion, Lordship. And Executive Officer also received it, Lordship. They have received it on 19th February 2024, Lordship. The receipt for Mahatma.
Only one person has received it.
And 2, Lordship, they have received the Executive Officer. The next, Lordship.
Call them. Call them.
Lordship.
2 is also connected, I think. Similar matter.
Lordship. One address, same.
Call them. Call.
One address.
Call them. We'll dispose it off.
Lordship.
Pass over.
Lordship.
Item number 3.
I am for the Petitioner Owners Food Corporation of India. My affidavit of service can be taken into cognizance. I have been informed that the respondents are subdued.
Nobody is here, Mr. Mishra.
Lords, no, Lords, nobody is here. The service is complete though. At last occasion, Lords, the Mr. Devjit Kundu used to appear for the respondent number 4 and 5. 1 to 3, I doubt if anybody would appear because they are not the controlling and the appellate authority under the Payment of Gratuity Act.
One is important,
Lords, 1 is the controlling authority,
controlling authority.
2 is the appellate authority.
You don't have any lawyer for the
No,
department
Lords,
here?
Lords. Those Lords are adjudicating authorities, not somebody. I doubt if somebody would appear for them.
Yes.
My Lordship. Lords, herein the respondent number 4, Lords, he claims to have been employed by the respondent number 5, Lords, he claims to have been employed by the respondent number 4.
Hmm.
The claim of respondent number 5, Lords, is that he was employed on 17th April 2016
Hmm.
and his services were terminated on 25 February 2022. Therefore, he has worked for 5 years, 10 months and 9 days. Based upon which, Lords, he moved an application in the form N, which, Lords, happens to be page 22 of the writ petition for claim of gratuity. He moved the application on 30th day of May 2022, Lords.
Yes.
His entire claim, Lords, was against the respondent number 4, who happened to be the Bengal Protective Guard, who is, Lords, the contractor who was employed by us for security services. In the next page, at page 23, Lords, will find the entire claim, Lords, is pertaining to 5 years, 10 months, 9 days at the rate of 724 rupees per day, amounting to 15,204. Then, Lords, we have filed written objections, and Lords, everything else is there on record. I will take my Lordship through that. Before that, Lords, the respondent number 4 and 5, they Lords also moved the similarly placed people. They also moved the writ petition, Lords. That is also not relevant because it was on a different context. They wanted to have a regularization with FCI, which was denied. But at page 29, Lords, there is an observation by the writ court in the 3rd paragraph.
In the instant case, the petitioner have no nexus.
My Lordship. Thereafter, Lords, there was an order of the adjudicating authority. The controlling authority said that the respondent number 4 is the principal employer and therefore the respondent number 4 would be paying the amount of gratuity, which in this case, the entire amount turns out to be 68,961. Aggrieved thereof, Lords, the respondent number 4, he prefers an appeal before the appellate authority. Now, Lords, the appellate authority order, the memo of appeal and everything else is there, Lords. The appellate authority order, Lords, will find
41.
starts at page 41, Lords. It says that there is a claim of 68,961 towards gratuity of contract employee, Mr. Amit Roy, who happens to be the respondent number 5, who was working with the appellant Bengal Protective Guard under a contract with the FCI. He was thus contract labor working in the.
You have come against this order. You have come against this order.
I have come against this order. This is the order impugned, Lords.
Yes.
Now, what has happened here, Lords, is that the finding and everything else, Lords, has been recorded against the FCI. If I can have, Lords, for a moment, just on page
Take down.
43.
The
Because I was pressing an interim Lord stay upon the order.
all right. The petition in the present writ petition is assailing the impugned order dated 30th/5/2023 passed by the respondent number 2 in appeal case number 48 bracket में 03 bracket close oblique 2023 hyphen E capital hyphen DY capital bracket में CLC. ये यहाँ से मिल जाएगा ये ना appeal number ठीक. By the impugned order, comma, the respondent number 2 fastened the liability of payment of gratuity towards respondent number 5 on the petitioner on the ground that he is the principal employer and thereby exonerating respondent number
4.
4, who was the actual employer of the petitioner. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondent number 4 respondent number 4 was engaged by the petitioner in pursuance of NIT being number 48 bracket 12 oblique 2022 hyphen ALC dash S for providing temporary watch and ward personnel. Where is the this NIT?
The NIT is in the supplementary affidavit notes that I have filed that day. From page 5 onwards, notes there.
Personal. Watch and ward personnel. Yes, which page?
Your supplementary affidavit, page
Yes.
5 onwards.
Page
5. The technical bid starts at page 5, Milos.
and you have been awarded by
By FCI, not the food corporation.
no, is there a number this
The tender number is at the top of page number 5, Milos. ROACC.
SEC, okay. The NIT number is on page
So the NIT number Milos happens to be the tender number. On page 5 Milos at the left hand side top corner, Milos will find that the NIT number is there.
page. Yeah.
Dated 11/8/2011.
Tender number ये डाल देना 52 ठीक है all right full stop. As per the terms and conditions of the contract between the petitioner and respondent number 4, all the security personnel engaged by respondent number 4 shall be employees of respondent number 4.
Shall be employees of respondent number 4 Milos.
Full stop. Further, it is the responsibility of respondent number 4 to provide gratuity and other benefits to its employees. Full stop. Hence, payment of gratuity to to his employees is the responsibility of respondent number 4. Full stop. However, the respondent number 2 had passed the impugned order fastening the said liability on the petitioner. Full stop. Issue notice to the respondents. Full stop. Respondent is directed to place on none appears for the respondent. Let an affidavit of in opposition be filed by the respondents within a period of 4 weeks. Reply to the same, if any, within 2 weeks thereafter. Full stop. In the meanwhile, there shall be a stay of the operation of the impugned order dated. What is the date? 30th/5. 30th/5/2023 passed by respondent number 2 for a period of 6 weeks from today. List before the next available circuit bench.
And declare this.
इसमें एक लाइन लिख लेना मैडम एफिडेविट ऑफ सर्विस इज टेकन ऑन रिकॉर्ड पास हो
For states. 4 for state.
Beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner, madam.
an item number
4.
4 yes done.
This matter has taken up by, this is the third occasion this matter is being taken up by your lordship. On 2 occasions, state has paid for time, my lord. I have challenged the vacancy declaration notice when an identical order issue is pending before this honorable court, my lord. Identical order I have annexed with my writ petition, which is at page 153.
Come to page annexure P1 page 32 your
My
license.
lord. I am a fair price sub dealer, my lord.
I know you are a fair price dealer. Your license is expired on when 31/12/2023.
That thereafter I made an application for renewal that has not yet been granted, my lord.
So today, how is this maintainable?
but on the interim measure, this is being the system of the food and supplies department. If I made an application before 31st December of 31st December of every year, they will renew they allowed me to continue with my license with the token, and I am continuing my business, my lord.
Please put that on record that you have applied for renewal of your license.
My
File
lord, I will.
a supplementary affidavit, put that on record. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks time to file a supplementary affidavit. Let the same be done within a period of,
With a period of a day or two, my lord.
within a period of 1 week.
And you will also kindly keep it on Friday. I will do it within that time.
You do it in the next, within the period of 3 days.
But in the meantime, if the vacancy is being posted, my petition will be infractuous, my lord.
See, this is regarding the fair price shop. You already are. This is a which they have issued for a fair price shop in a different area. Some of
No,
your,
in my area, I have stated so in paragraph 5.
some of your ration card holders are overlapping. That is your.
No, I am not on that. Well, whether existence of the control order relying on which they have declared the vacancy. But there is a relying on the 2001 control order.
What is your stand?
Hello, in this case, I am led by Mr. Hiraj Burman.
Who?
Mr. Hiraj Burman is leading, my lord, and he has his legs in court number 2.
He has his legs there.
So can you come to page 153? Identical issue has been passed by this honorable court.
I've seen that. I've seen that. You file a supplementary affidavit.
But in the meantime, if they proceeded with the vacancy, my petition will be infractuous, my lord.
I'll keep it on Friday. Not today.
But
I will list on Friday.
Friday.
Get your instruction. What instruction? Did you understand?
Yes, my lord.
What?
Whether they have made any application or not, I will check with the record.
They have made an application that they will file in the form of supplementary affidavit. You have to find out whether the tender notification which has been issued for allocation of a fresh fair price shop is anyway causing any harm to them or not. Is it in the same area or it's in a different area?
Well.
You can't have two people in the same area.
Well.
If that is being done, then you're affecting his livelihood.
Apart from that, my lord, that is another issue. There is the control order relying which they have issued the fair declaration of vacancy. That is a redundant law. That is non-existence in terms of the promulgation of 2015 Central Control Order, my lord. You also kindly see the 2013 control order. I will show you to lordship within 5 minutes, my lord.
That order is also there. The High Court has recorded that order. The judgment on which you are relying, they have recorded.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Friday.
My lord.
My lord, let them serve a copy of the supplementary affidavit on us.
Copy of the supplementary affidavit shall be served in advance to the.
My lord, I will.
That's what he says. He'll file the supplementary affidavit tomorrow with an advance copy to the other side. List this matter on Friday. Next.
My lord, I'm praying for my lord's kind leave to.
How is it maintainable?
My lord,
How is it maintainable?
the present petition,
Yes.
your lordship,
Yes.
your lordship, it's filed by trade union for tea garden
What I'm
workers.
saying, how is it maintainable? How are you aggrieved? What are you aggrieved with?
Your lordship,
Not your salary, file a PIL.
your lordship, the third petitioner is an aggrieved worker, your lordship.
Where is he working?
He's working in a tea state.
Nowhere it is stated. Which tea state? You have not given any details.
Your
Nothing has
lordship,
been
it's
given.
there, your lordship.
Dumpi Chara tea state. They have been made a party.
The tea state, our prayers are not against the tea state, your lordship.
You have to.
Uh,
You don't have any locus. See, this is a petition in the nature of a public interest. What you are asking for is that wages should be regularized to an extent. There should be an enhancement of the wages. Now, that is a public interest litigation.
Indeed, your lordship. Your, Lord-
How is this court going to entertain this?
Your Lordship,
And there's already a judgment passed by Justice Raja Basu Chaudhary, where he has given time to the state.
that has expired, Your Lordship.
That has expired. File a contempt.
Your Lordship, we were not a party to the petition, Your Lordship, before that in that particular
Then you
proceeding.
file a PIL.
Your Lordship, the case is this, Your Lordship.
Either you file. I know what the case is.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is not maintainable.
Your Lordship, I
What is
understand.
your relief?
Your Lordship, I am just only praying for leave to withdraw the petition in present form, Your Lordship, with liberty to file afresh.
Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the presented petition with liberty to file afresh in accordance with law.
Grateful, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this prayer is basically, Your Lordship, due to some incorrect, some mistake that has inadvertently occurred in the annexure part of the petition, Your Lordship.
Not only that, see, there's no substantial relief which you can seek.
Your Lordship, the maintainability point, once we refile, Your Lordship will argue on that particular aspect, Your
It will
Lordship.
be maintainable if your petition number 3 makes Dhumpachara or whatever tea state also.
We'll make them a party, Your Lordship.
Make them a part.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
For the state part.
Not 6 and 7 lots are my restoration application. It got dismissed for default.
Yes, what do you say, Mr. Rahman?
Maybe restored money. It may be hard on medic, basically.
That we'll see later on. The Can 1 Garjana. Present matter was dismissed in default on 14/9/2023. The petitioner has filed the present application for restoration of the writ petition to its original position, full stop. Issue notice to the respondent. Mr. Rahman accept notice on behalf of the respondent and very fairly states that he has no objection if the present application is allowed.
CGST. Looking for the CGST.
So, you have any objection?
I don't know. Please.
Your respond number? Mr. Rahman appears for respond number.
He's got
it state GST.
3, 4, 5 and lots, the central is 1 and 2.
Malad, I'm appearing 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5.
Mr. Rahman accept notice on behalf of respondent number
3, 4, 5. And
Very
Mr.
clearly.
What's your name? Vishwanath Agarwal accept notice on. Sorry?
Vishwaraj Agarwal.
Vishwanath, right?
Vishwaraj.
Vishwaraj.
Vishwanath.
Mr. Vishwaraj Agarwal accept notice on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2. Counsel for the respondents fairly states that they have no objection if the present application is allowed. In the facts and circumstances of the the present application is allowed in terms of the statement recorded on behalf of the respondents and also the pleadings and also on the grounds mentioned in the present application. Let the present writ petition be restored to its original position. List for further hearing on.
One indulgence, Malad.
Before the list for further hearing before the next circuit bench.
One indulgence, it will be respondent number 3 only because there is no 4 and 5 respondent. 4th and 5th respondent is not there.
Okay, respond number 3 only, yeah. In this, he has made 4, 5 also.
In the writ petition itself, there are 3 respondents.
Mr. Mishra.
Oh, there was addition. Malad, there was addition subsequent. I don't have that.
Instead of 3, 4, 5, it will be
It will be 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 1.
The next matter is also similar. There also respondent number will be same.
उसमें जब ये चेंज करो for the reasons stated in the application इसमें चेंज करना है थोड़ा सा ऊपर चेंज करना for the reasons stated in the application the present application is allowed for the reasons stated in the application and on the consent of the respondents the present application ठीक है बस इतना ही करना
Grateful, Lordship.
The next matter was respondent.
Same order notes, the respondent number would be 1, 2, and 4 for the state and 3 for central.
1, 2, 4 for the state.
3 for central.
Mr. Ram.
No, Malad, in the next matter, I am not appealing.
You're not there?
No.
Who's there in the next matter? Can I record your appearance?
Might be.
The department will regularize his presence.
No, if it's not there, if somebody has already been engaged in the matter, it would be a.
इसमें client
That will be difficult.
Uh,
So, I'll try to find out who is there and give the names.
I'll regularize you.
The department will
That can be
regularize.
done.
So just take down second matter. Since Mr. Rahman is present on behalf of the state, let this matter be assigned to him. Is present on the state, he accepts notice. He accepts notice. He accepts notice. Let the present matter be assigned to him. और फिर वो कर लेना, ठीक है? तो वो ऑर्डर है.
Mr. Vishwa accept notice on behalf of responding numbers.
Oh. Three.
Where is he? You are there in this matter?
Yeah, अरे CGST और कौन होगा? हाँ, है file देख लूँगा. He is on behalf of 3 Milords and Mr. Rahman is for 1, 2 and 4. है CGST.
So I'll mark your appearance.
हाँ. The department will regularize.
Mr. Vishwaraj Agarwal.
बिल बना रहे हैं.
No, court.
हाँ, court appointed.
उनके लिए भी कर लो. That Mr. Respond number 3. 3.
3.
Give your appearance. Mr. Vishwaraj Agarwal is present in the court and has been asked to accept notice on behalf of respond number 3.
कभी चाय भी तो नहीं पिलाता है.
Beautiful.
I am deeply obliged.
Item number 8, your lordships, I am praying for adjournment.
Why, what happened?
Sir, need some short passover.
Lordships, in this case, your lordships are reported guilty, but lordship affirmation is pending. CBI matter, so we take time, your lordship, 4 or 5 days for affirmation time.
No, but how much time has he spent in the jail, madam? You have any idea?
No, sir.
You have any idea how much time he has spent?
We need 4 or 5 days.
Then I'll make it not today.
Lordship, tomorrow your lordship is not possible for affirmation.
Affirmation of what?
Lordship, for filing of report, your lordships. We need to file a report in this case.
Yes.
So the lordships, we need 3 or 4 days, your lordships.
At the request of the parties, let this matter be listed before the next circuit bench.
Lord, take for it.
Take.
Well, I'm for the OP number
Passing
2,
it
my
over.
lord, 9 and 10, my lord.
Yeah, just passing it over.
My lord,
Otherwise, we'll dismiss in default. Don't worry.
my lord.
Pass.
Deeply obliged.
No, I am for the petition.
Application for collection of the charge. For application undertaken of 406, 420, 506 and for cheese and that jurisdiction number 1 and 2 enter into agreement with the opposite party number 2 being the defective component for construction of a house. None other the specific time limit and for the construction of the house and the schedule for payment of money. The opposite party number 2 did not comply within time frame the creation of the house and there is a demarcation, there is a non-payment of fund. There is a suit for they file they send a legal notice and see for financial This 30 of my for specific performance of contract, the purely breach of contract, there will be civil dispute.
Have they filed any?
Thereafter,
No. Have they filed any suit
no. To my knowledge, there is no suit for that.
or recovery proceedings? No.
No.
Yes.
After the legal notice for specific performance of contract and the air person of air written complaint matter is 23. Which are what you can see.
Yes. But why you're not paying him the money?
No, I pay the money and they send 3 notice and 3 notice there is 1 notice saying how much money this is 1 time they release it by day to day notice my amount of money.
To settle it between the parties.
Settle it. I willing to settle. My petition number 1 is the doctor and petition number 2 is the required. And they are willing to settle and petition number 2 with intent, it is purely a civil dispute with intent to get a criminal color with more money from me, my Your Lordship, can you have a group?
The present revision petition has been filed seeking quashing of proceeding being GR number 3998/2023 pending before the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate, First Court at Siliguri, corresponding to Matigara Police Station case number 855 of 2023 dated 20th October 2023 under section 406, 420, 506 and 34 of IPC 1860, as well as the submission of charge sheet number 889 of 2023 dated 31st November 2023. The petitioner's case is that the opposite party number 2, being the proprietor of ABC Engineering Architectural Consultancy, had entered into a contract with the petitioner on 13/12/2022 for construction of his house, which was approved by opposite party number 2. For his house कर देना बाकी का. As per the contract, the petitioner should, as per the contract, the petitioner was supposed to pay 1 crore 5 lakhs in total for the construction. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that he has been paid 72. No, it is the case of the opposite party number 2, that opposite party number 2, that he has been paid 72 lakhs, 70,000, right? 70,000, and the remaining balance of rupees 32 lakhs 30,000 is still pending. The opposite party number 2, being aggrieved by the non-payment of his due, had sent 2 legal notices dated 26/9/2023 and 1/10/2023 for release of his outstanding payment. Full stop. The opposite party number 2 also had filed a complaint before Labour Commissioner.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Where is that complaint?
well, this 36 matter.
The opposite party number 2 had also filed complaint before the Labour Commissioner for his outstanding amount due from the petitioners.
We also like Then only short says it now was.
The opposite party number 2 had sent a legal notice dated 26/9/2023, wherein it is specifically mentioned that it is a notice for specific performance of contract. Full stop. In the facts of the present case, it is evident that the parties had entered into a contract for construction. The petitioner had entered into a contract for construction of his house with opposite party number 2, full stop. Dispute arose between the parties. The opposite party number 2 has an outstanding amount of rupees 32 lakhs 30,000 against the petitioners. Full stop. This from the this is a the present dispute is purely civil in nature. This court has perused the complaint filed by the opposite party number 2, full stop. The bare reading of the complaint also shows that the present dispute is purely civil in nature and that the complaint had been filed only because the opposite party number 2 was not getting his payment released by the petitioners. Full stop. Which page is the charge sheet? The police has filed the charge sheet dated 30th/11/2023, which also reflects that the nature of dispute is completely contractual and that the opposite party number 2 is aggrieved due to non-payment of the dues against the petition. Full stop. The mere filing of the FIR under section 406, 420, 506 and 34 is not made out since is completely bereft of any ingredients of the above mentioned sections. Since there is no specific averment in the complaint or in the charge sheet regarding any criminal breach of trust or cheating by the petitioners. Full stop. Merely because the petitioner has failed to honor the agreement, that cannot be stated to that cannot be said to have cheated the opposite party number 2. That cannot be have to said that the petitioner had the intention of cheating party number 2. Okay. This court is conscious of the fact that unless until just let notice that let this let this appeal be admitted. In the meanwhile, there shall be a stay of the proceeding arising out of ऊपर से लिख देना case number so and so for a period of 4 weeks. Issue notice to the respondents. Place before the next available circuit bench. 12.
So this is the case of washing of the charge sheet. The charge sheet has been filed on 64/24, 65/67 of the India monitoring. Now, if you not see the FIR, which is in page number 16.
Page number 16.
Based on which the charge sheet has been made. The FIR says that an application was submitted by Shundeep Shah, dated 26/8/2020, to inquire about the authenticity of a plan, building plan. It can be seen the owners of the plan are the owner of Roy and Yalua. After thorough official inquiry by the concerned engineer of Trinity Municipal Corporation, namely Shundeep Roy, assistant engineer Shri Rajashri Sharkar, Alok Shukma Sharkar, SMC, was found that the stand was not registered with this office at any time. Further, this stand has been forged. It can be seen that signature and seal of Ronjit Das, consulted civil engineer, is found in the body of the forged plan, and the signature of Rajan Kole on Rajan Kole. I am petition here is Rajan Kole, geotechnical engineer. His signature was found in this forged plan, based on which this FIR was lodged. This is the first FIR 28/8/2020. On the same date, a second FIR was also lodged by the page number 17. This happens to be for another building plan. The first one was 308, the second is building plan number 312.
Yes.
Second FIR. Another third FIR was given by the, that's in page number 22.
Page 22.
22, my God. This is another building plan 1358.
Yes.
This is also relating that they made an inquiry verification and they found that this building plan doesn't exist. And it is their allegation that the signature of this petitioner was found. Now, with regard to the second FIR and the third FIR, a charge sheet has been filed stating that no such evidence would be collected against this present Rajan Kole, the petitioner. That is page number 19. With regard to the second FIR.
Yes.
The duty invested no such evidence. With regard to the third FIR, which is in page number 22, same thing has been found. Which is in page number 24, the charge sheet. During investigation, no such evidence would be collected against the above-noted accused person, which is Rajan Kole.
Yes.
But now, with regard to only this FIR, charge sheet has been filed, stating that the sufficient evidence has been found. But whereas in the FIR or the 161, no involvement of this Rajan Kole has been found. I would like to show you, Lordship, page number 30, which is that actually the time accused of this case, my God.
But then why can't you seek a discharge?
He is a geotechnical engineer.
So,
my God, he is only FMC engineer only. And now because of this and FIR, my God, he cannot resume his work, my God. And out of 6 accused persons, 5 are already absconding. 4 are already absconding, my God. 4 are still absconding, my God. It will take a long process, madam. He's carried with that statement, and he know very important. I'll show my.
No, but at the stage of charge sheet, whatever it is, the charge sheet has been filed. So,
This should be touched text, madam, and he clearly says that Vishwajit Pato, he got shortcut Taposh Pal. Shange Mile, they have conspired and made this.
no, Ms. Ghosh, I'm not on that. I'm only saying that no, Ms. Sarkar, sorry. Ms. Sarkar, I'm sorry. That at this stage, the only thing is that I don't want to interfere because the charge sheet has been filed. The charges have not been framed. You can.
The charge sheet doesn't show any involvement of this accused.
This is how the charge sheets are filed here. Majority of the charge sheets here. So you can seek a discharge.
Discharge the court will not give by now.
Why won't it give?
Procedure of law, madam. They will not give
No,
discharge.
that's not the procedure of law at all.
Madam, first and foremost, madam, all the accused person have to come. Then the charge. Then I can give a discharge application, my lord.
Yes.
Madam, we already 4 accused person are absconding, my lord.
Yes.
They will never come to the court, my lord, and this petition will have to suffer, my lord. There is no involvement from my lord. Moreover, my lord, this signature and fee have been used in that for government. He is the person who is being suffering, my lord. And police have done nothing to take the signature and seal of this petition to compare with that fake signature and seal, my lord. Moreover, his name in that everything is falls in that plan, my lord.
See, the only thing is you're going to procure a stay, then this will also go on forever. The quashing is not going to happen.
No way the trial will give, nothing will happen, madam. I don't want, let it be admitted, madam. The CD number, his involvement is shown, madam. It will not be crossed, but if his involvement is not shown, madam, case will be crossed, madam.
Take down. The present writ petition has been filed, seeking quashing of. Where's the FIR?
Not crossing of the again.
Quashing of both the FIR and the charge sheet. Quashing of FIR number is 1148. 1148/2020, dated 29/8/20. Just show me the FIR page. No, there's not the FIR. There's a complaint. Page 16. Yeah, that's a complaint. That's a complaint by Jalpaiguri Municipal Corporation for lodging an FIR. Where's the FIR?
This is the FIR.
No. This is for lodging an FIR. This is Sonam Bhutia. That's the commissioner who has put a complaint. Where's the FIR?
Oh, formal FIR. Formal FIR, I have not annexed.
That you have to annex.
Why don't you just switch it in the charge sheet, might have FIR.
No, but still you have to annex that. How can you not annex that? You have to annex that. You are seeking quashing of the FIR, and then subsequent action is the charge sheet. You have to put the FIR in place.
Actually, I'm seeking for only the.
How does the charge sheet come? Is Sarkar, learned counsel for the petitioner, seeks time to file the supplementary affidavit bringing on the copy of the FIR on record. Let the same be done. When? Friday we'll be able to put it on record. Or I'll list it before next circuit then. Or list. Not today, karke Friday. Let the same list on Friday.
My lord, item numbers 13 and 14, my lord. My lord, may I be permitted to, my lord, request your lordships if these matters could be kept tomorrow, my lord. Mr. Muzumdar would be appearing, my lord. I had indicated that he would be appearing, my lord, physically, my lord. If these two matters, my lord, if it could be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
No, I can't have all the matters tomorrow. You have to understand, Mr. Majumdar, block my
No,
entire.
my lord. No, my lord. I'm only requesting your lordship, my lord, if it is, these are short matters, my lord. If it could be kept, my lord, otherwise, day after tomorrow, my lord, subject to your lordship's convenience. But it's up to your lordship, my lord.
It will be kept tomorrow. Then. Day after tomorrow, Friday.
Deeply
Not,
grateful, my lord.
not today, Friday.
But 13 and 14, my lord.
Are the same?
No, my
No,
lord. Two different matters, my lord. If it.
Konyak.
Yes, my lord.
15, I am for the statement.
My lord, 14 to 24, my lord, kindly keep this matter at 2 p.m. My senior is stuck at Bagdogra in traffic, my lord. So kindly please at 2 p.m.
So your senior will be stuck and will wait for your senior to come.
My lord, he will appear physical before your lordship, my lord. Kindly give me a short pass over, my lord.
My board is already over.
My ask for instruction. Department has no objection if it is remanded back to the
Remanded
assessing
back.
officer.
I can dispose it off, madam.
And my lord, there was
No, my lord, my senior will appear, my lord.
Your senior is not required. You appear. It's okay.
in item number 15, they preferred an appeal, man. That has to be withdrawn.
Yeah.
My lord, say-
15 and 21, there are two petitions which you need to withdraw because you have to file the appeal. The appeal is not on record.
My lord, as
15 and 21, they
the
are
appeal
not.
is on record, man.
15, 21. No,
Yes,
it's not.
15. My lord, page 21 is the appeal, man.
Page 21.
That has to be withdrawn if it is remanded back to the assessing officer. Appeal has to be withdrawn. If that direction will be given to the petitioner, they will withdraw and
No, the order is not.
no order has not been passed, my lord.
It has not been passed. So this is pending. So there is,
Yes.
let that be decided. So this they will withdraw. Let the decision be taken by the appellate authority. Then we'll see what has
to record that.
Yes, madam.
My lord, give me a chance to appear before you, my lord. My senior will appear, my lord.
Then
He's on the way, my lord.
call your senior. I'm passing it over. Mr. Pal, I'll pass it over.
Grateful, my lord.
Oh. Call your senior fast, not till 2 o'clock while I'm right now. And tell him to appear through VC if he's not available. He can join on VC. Tell your senior to join on VC. Pass over. We'll just pass it. None for the 24 minutes. None for the parties in the interest of justice.
My lord, 24 is also. My lord, 24 is also our matter, my lord.
Your matter.
Yes, my lord.
Anybody from the state in 24? In 24. So it's your matter. So none for the respondent. Isko kar do. Ab none for the respondent in the interest of justice. Adverse orders are deferred. Placed before the next available circuit. Your appearance. But are you there in that matter 24? So we'll hear it. Achha, give your appearance. So you are appearing for? CGS. Just take none for the state kar dijiyega aap, that in that matter. Your respond number? File dikhaya. Item 24. This is the file.
Well, item 24 man already passed over. The council is on is like the court number 2 man. They're on the legs. State council.
Item 24. The hearing matter, we'll have it some other. The respondent number. Your respondent number 4. No, this is. Principal Chief Commissioner.
No, yes.
The CGST is not a party.
Assistant Commissioner.
The Assistant Commissioner, North Bengal.
Not, he's not.
It's all state.
We see, I visit the store.
Just check the memo of parties. Give it up.
My lord, in this matter, I am the petitioner, my lord.
No, I know you're the petitioner.
Four and six.
4 and 6. इनका appearance है ना item 4 and 6. That's what I was saying. 4. Four and 6, huh? And there's a Passover sought on behalf of the state. None for the state. Proxy counsel so and so states appears. Let this matter be listed on before the next available.
Password number 1. I'm for the state balance. 1-8. 24 is the stated name. Password change. I think I mean,
Yes, you're there in item 1.
For the state balance.
Yes, for the state. Yes. So you decide their representation. Why you're not deciding it?
It's not on
Answering respondent are the Matavanga municipality.
Who's there for the municipality? You didn't get them.
My lord, in item number 2, my lord. In item number 2, my lord. My lord.
One.
In item 2, I am appearing for the municipality, my lord. Matavanga municipality.
Madam, you appear for 1 also, in item 1 also, okay? Just take down, the father of the petitioner was an employee of Matavanga municipality, full stop.
My lord, one submission, my lord. My lord, one submission, my lord. Your lordship kindly consider, my lord. There is no scheme, my lord, regarding the compensation and appointment in the municipality, my lord.
Yes, I'm not doing anything. I'm only asking you to decide the representation in accordance with law.
As your lordship. As your lordship.
Reject it. It's up to you.
Yes, my lord, as your lordship.
Father of the petitioner was an employee of Matavanga municipality. He was working as a Group D staff from the period 1/9/1998. Full stop. During the period of his, during the said period, he expired on. During the period of his job, he expired on. During the period of his service, he expired on 1/12/2013. Full stop. The petitioner made an application for compassionate appointment on 11/2/2013. It is the case of the petitioner that he had not heard back on his application from the municipal authority. Full stop. The petitioner again made a representation on 3/1/2024 for seeking an appointment on compassionate, seeking a compassionate appointment with the municipal authority. The said representation has not been decided. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent authority states that the presented petition can be disposed of with a direction to decide the representation within a time-bound manner. Full stop. The petitioner agrees to the said suggestion and the presented petition to be disposed of with a direction to the respondent municipal authority to decide his representation dated 3/1/2024. Full stop. This court directs the respondents to consider the representation dated 3/1/2024 by way of a speaking order after granting an opportunity of personal hearing to the petitioner within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Full stop. Needless to say that the petitioner will be at liberty to challenge the said speaking order in accordance with law. Full stop. With this direction, the petition is disposed of. Item 1 and 2 दोनों उसमें सिर्फ चेंज हो जाएगा. उसमें petitioner was working group D staff from 10/8/2021 or 2001 and he expired on 1/5/2017 और उसमें compassionate appointment application was made on 11/8/2030. Representation का date same 2024. Okay, rest the same. Both are disposed. Give your appearances.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I have already given in the chat box, my lord.
Affidavit of service is taken on record. Same order, 1, 2, same order. Yes. Yes. How's it maintainable? How's it maintainable, sir? So withdraw it. There's no power. Absolutely bar. No power at all. Either you withdraw or I dismiss. What do you want? What leave? You have to, no, this has to be challenged. This has to be challenged.
No provision. There is no provision of law.
Provision in law. You want to withdraw it? Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw the present petition. The same is dismissed as withdrawn. With liberty to seek his remedies in accordance with law.
Well, that liberty is always there, man. Your lordship's liberty doesn't require only.
It's in accordance with law. Everybody has a right in accordance with law.
My lord, lordship's protection is not there required, my lord. I'm for the respondent opposite party number 2, man.
Just give your appearance in the chat box.
My lord, deeply obliged, deeply obliged.
Same.
My lord, my senior is already reached there, my lord. Only 5 minutes, my lord.
Only 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes, my lord. He already reached, my lord, in the court.
Could have asked him to join through VC. What was the big deal? I'll come back in 5 minutes. Now you guys don't go, huh? Be here, please. So they have sought the instruction, those items 16, 17, 19, 20, 22 and 23 can be disposed of.
I will satisfy your lordship. In the other two matters, actually have been referred. But they have failed to dispose of the earlier.
They'll dispose it off.
No, they have not.
They will.
No, they cannot.
Why?
Because there is a provision under the Municipal Revenue Tax Act 2003, section 49, 84, subsection 2, which says that unless the appeal is disposed of within a finite period of time, the appeal will be deemed to have been settled in favor of the assessor. The Honorable Calcutta High Court has also decided on this. Notification 93, 84 to provide.
That we'll see later. That we'll see. I'm not getting into that. पहले ये करो. Up 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. The common facts emerging from these petitions are that the adjudicating authority had passed the assessment orders. However, at the relevant time, the renewal of the eligibility certificate of the petitioner was under process. Full stop. Hence, the assessment orders were passed without considering the eligibility certificate. Full stop. Later, the authorities have renewed the eligibility certificates retrospectively. Full stop.
In some there are appeals.
All right.
15 also there is an appeal.
However, the assessment orders still reflect the demand, and hence the recovery proceedings were initiated against the petitioner and warrant of attachments were issued against the petitioners. Full stop. It is the contention of the learned counsel of the petitioner that they will be satisfied at this stage if the matters are remanded back to the adjudicating authority for reconsideration in view of the retrospective renewal of the eligibility certificate. Full stop. Learned counsel for the respondent department consents to the said proposal. In view of the same, the present petitions are remanded back to the adjudicating authority. Adjudicating authority for fresh reconsideration. Full stop. In view of the same, the impugned assessment orders are hereby set aside and the matters are remanded back to the adjudicating authority for fresh adjudication after considering the eligibility certificate issued to the petitioners. Full stop. The warrant of attachment on all the other proceedings, recovery proceedings initiated by the respondents are hereby set aside. Full stop. With these direction, the present matters are disposed of. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23.
The amounts realized.
That which matters? 19. Yes, yes.
Of 2020 and 1946 of 2020 and
इसमें एक लाइन एक्स्ट्रा डाल देना आप आइटम 17 और 22 में.
And 1946 of 20.
The amount shall be refunded within a period of
kindly if eligible that
sorry
be considered at a time of
let that be considered. Yes, why should I? That's all right.
That will be adjusted.
There is no other, that will be adjusted. There is no other provision at all, and I have annexed my bank account to show that the amount has been debited to the treasury.
Right.
So in the for
that can be adjusted at a consideration.
Then
there is no question of adjustment. I already
if any demand has been, the respondents are directed to refund the amount, refund the what demand,
But the amount realized.
the amount realized within a period of 8 weeks.
But that can be adjudicated at the same time, my lord.
No, that will be a fresh adjudication. Since I'm setting aside everything, it has to be afresh within a period of 8 weeks.
17 to 22.
Only 17 and 22.
No, 15 is, my lord has included 15 also.
Yeah. 15, he's saying that there is a, yes, tell me what is it? You're talking about deemed. It won't work.
But the provision says what?
I know the provision says so, but it won't work.
May I know your lordship?
Because in most of the statutes, even if there's a time limit which has been fixed, and even if it is deemed, generally the courts are reluctant to hold it against the department.
May I discuss statute for 2 minutes?
No, statute I know.
Yes.
I've
Not that list yet. May I list? May I list?
sure.
84 subsection 2 the proviso part. Subsection 2 proviso.
Yes. Yes.
The language, is quite mandated. And in that, the Honorable Calcutta High Court had also settled this proposition in the year 2016. Third line from the top, the short submission of the petitioner is that since the appeal was not disposed of within the time permitted under section 84 of the West Bengal Annual Tax 2003, the assessment's challenge to the order of assessment is deemed to have been allowed. But I'm skipping the next paragraph, but you can advance the page. From the third paragraph, it is really important.
Yes. This was challenged or not challenged by the department?
This is the settled field, which holds the field of law right from 2016. Honorable Justice Barrington had settled it.
Mr. Pal, have you seen this?
No, my lord. My lord, since on the last occasion, it has fell from lordship to take instruction whether these matters are remanded back. So
Let him.
tomorrow will be possible.
Tomorrow won't be possible.
It's a question of understanding that whether this has been challenged or not. Upon my vouch, I can see it has not been.
Friday?
By tomorrow, my lord, it will be difficult. My
Friday?
And let it be next time we shall take
Not
instruction.
option.
We have to take instruction from Calcutta, my lord.
See, that's for him to get instruction. Or else I'll issue notice. I'm not going to caution. They'll take time to file affidavit in opposition. That's all right. No, government, there is no time lapse. They always make these prayers and go on for years together to file their affidavit in opposition.
Day after tomorrow, it won't be possible, my lord.
It's not a question of.
I can't push him. He has been
I have tried to assist
fair enough in terms of getting so many disposals for you. I can't,
That I cannot.
at the request of the learned counsel for the respondent, let this matter be listed before the next available circuit bench for him to seek instruction. If the, in the item 15 and 21, if the present petitions can be disposed of in terms of the order passed by the coordinate bench of this court in writ petition number WP 3140 bracket W of 2016. Full stop. Place this matter before the next. circuit
Also
bench.
kindly extend the time for filing opposition. If in case we can prepare the opposition in the meantime, we'll file it.
The extension is
The
not
ex-
expired. The want to file it.
Since it has expired, my lord,
Notice has been given in this. Notice has been issued. No, but something.
But yes, the opposition, direction for opposition was there. This was on 4/8/2023. 4th of August 2023. The direction for opposition probably was passed by just a
Learned counsel for the respondent seeks
Yes.
4 weeks time to file his affidavit in opposition.
grateful lordship.
Reply, if any, thereto within 2 weeks.
But then the matter will not come in the next 4 weeks time.
2 weeks.
3 weeks, 3 weeks,
3 weeks.
In the meantime, if they want to file it.
2 weeks, Karwa. 2 weeks. Do it in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, Karwa. 2 weeks. Reply, if any, within
Let it
1
be
week.
3 weeks, my lord. 3 weeks, my lord.
No,
Within 3 days.
Yeah, let it be 3 weeks, 3 days.
no. If it's 3 weeks, then
File it in 2 weeks, Mr. 2 weeks. And you don't have to.
Calcutta.
It has not go to Calcutta. It
Yes,
is
yes.
completely should matter.
2 weeks.
Grateful lordship.
Let's reply to the same within 3 weeks. The council prays for 3 days to file his reply to the affidavit in opposition. List before the next available circuit.
You know, the dates in terms of also last year study,
Which one?
the still number 24.
Nobody was here for the department. Nobody is here for the department. That's why. Reply to the same within 3 weeks. 5 weeks. No, 2 plus 3 weeks, no, 3 days. 3 days. Next available.
Before also time is, you know.
He's asking only 3 days, not 3 days.
In that matter, the friends, submit my supplementary 24. That can be taken in before. It has been filed, way back. It has been filed way back in the year 2022. But it has not been called up.
Item 24 में आप लिख लेना. इसमें date दिया था. Not apparent. So we are given time. So उसमें एक line से लिख लेना. Affidavit, supplementary affidavit is taken on. That's good.
I once again tender my apology.
No, no.